Hi, I'm James Stanley of James Stanley, New York, and you are in my magical workspace. I'm an architect, a designer, and a contractor. I am currently working on a new build townhouse in Flatbush, Brooklyn. And it's the first time that we've done a new build townhouse, and it's really been a fantastic experience for me. I really have to credit my mom for this career path that I have chosen. She was the first female civil license engineer in the state of California in LA. Never really loved as a kid being on a construction site. You know, it was a lot of dust and dirt, but today it's where I feel at home. If I'm on a construction site and I see my vision come to life in a raw form, and then we're building 3D models and I'm working closely with my clients and artisans to build something really unique, I feel that I've really done my job, and that inspires me every day. So most clients are not visual, most, right? And I happen to be blessed being visual. I can really close my eyes and see just about anything the way that I want it, and it makes my job easier because then I just put it together that way. So clients don't usually have a vision, and they come to me and they're like, James, you know, we have some of these ideas, or they're showing me things. And this is where technology really comes in handy. I've been approached to do that, you know, build a model, put it in the metaverse, and sell it to someone. And realtors are already starting to do that. This is going to be the living room, and behind me right there is going to be a gorgeous gel fireplace. Right here is where we're building an elevator, a full-size elevator that go from the lower level all the way to the primary suite, full size with double fold-back doors. And right here is going to be our dreamy bar, and it's going to be the place for happy hour for sure. I've recently had the pleasure of working with the team at Visual Dynamics 3D, and it's really a game changer. It really separates itself from the masses. You can walk into this model and see the visualizations are so crisp and so clear, so real lifelike that you feel like you're standing in the home before it's built. But the thing that I really love are all the movement in a model. So typically a 3D model just rotates, you see everything to scale, but it doesn't feel authentic or real. In this case, think of a fireplace, there's a fire going, but it's moving. Or you see the trees kind of blowing in the wind. You can move furniture. Now you can never do that in most any 3D model. I can switch out a chair, not just move it, but actually switch it out and turn it to something else, or a table, or a bed, etc. I'm like, I love this. Why? Because it makes people feel they're in the real space. It's not just a model. What does that mean for a client? So while we're collaborating on a design, whether I'm with another interior designer, another architect, or the client, and we say, oh, well, let's see how this looks. Let's see how that looks. In real time, we can actually do it. That's one of the many things I love about this software. I am so excited to be a part of this. I use the technology. I fell in love with it. It is definitely going to change design, architecture, construction for sure. Wave of the future.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.